Okay guys, we're in the 2003 Ford Expedition LTX 6 CD player. Today the problem is the CD player has a CD that's jammed. Let me see if you can see that. Yep, you can probably see it right there. You can see the little CD, the little shiny gloss right there. We're gonna get it off. This consists of, oh shit. Let me see 1 second here. Okay, yeah, we got two 7mm bolts that go on the dash right there and right there. Just pop those out. Then there's clips, you know. There's clips in there, just pop them out. There's two at the bottom. There's some right there. You know, just pop them out. Here. Seems not to be no clips except for on the. So yeah.